Alright, so next I'm going to mount my graph for my transducer, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to use a RAM ball mount and then their RAM mount system. This one is specifically for the Garmin Striker 4 series, so it all lines up just perfect with how it's supposed to. Just tighten that on there. I've seen people having issues with these coming off, but I'm pretty sure it's just them not doing it right, because that's not going anywhere. Okay, and then stick that on there. So now on this RAM mount, it lines up just perfect with the bottom of this, and it lines up in these. And what we got to do is this hole lines up with the center one, and then I think it's these two and this one. So what I had to do was I had to get some machine screws from the store. I just went to the Tractor Supply and got these, and I hope they are narrow enough to fit through there. They're not. Awesome. It's alright, I'll fix it with a drill bit. So that's the right size. So we just gotta drill out these holes just a little bit. That didn't take much. Put the screws through, and they should line up just right. Yep, perfect. So then on the bottom, we just got to tighten those down. One thing I will say is don't tighten them too tight, because you'll crack the plastic on here, and that would not be good, because then you got to order another one. Now this should just go right on, and it does. Tighten down our mount. Okay, so now I got to run all the wiring. That was an easy fix. This took about an hour. This took about 5 minutes. So now I got to figure out what I'm going to do with all my wiring. I'm pretty sure I want to have it stored in here. We'll get back to you. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So I'll have my cords coming out here, and then my power supply. Yeah, this is my power cord. That's my power supply. And then I'm gonna run this through hole. I'm just gonna run it right down into here and back out. Okay, so I wasn't too sure exactly how I was gonna do this, but I ordered a Yak Attack through hole adapter that I'm gonna mount right here. It'll come with 2 of them. I can put both of them right here, not a problem. But as I'm going to use this tomorrow, what I'm going to do is, since those adapters are going to go right here anyways, I think I'm just going to go ahead and drill a small hole. It's going to have to go here anyways. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. And then we'll make sure all of our battery hooks up correctly and sits in there good. And I just use a little sealed lead acid battery. That is the ground. That is power. I better order a battery box as well. Store just like that. Alright, let's make sure everything power's on. Winner, winner.